the good and the advantage of the recirculating aquatic system, where it filters the insoluble particles and other physics for your fish pond. And that makes you to reuse that same water continuously without changing the water. And it is very efficient in water management and also enhances the growth of your fish. Despite all this, it also has limitations. So in this video, I want to tell you some of the untrue story or the disadvantages or the limitations of the recirculating aquatic system. Then you weigh the advantages and disadvantages to see whether it's worth it or not. I have a comprehensive video about the recirculating aquatic system. You can check that one out in the description. But this one, I want to focus on. This is the daily routine of recirculating aquatic system. When you come every morning, you make sure that you check to ensure it is working efficiently. Make sure you wash or you flush out the pieces. And by flushing out, you lock the outlet between the you lock the outlet between the pond and then the flotation container and then open the outlet and then you stir and then the dirt will go out. Then you flush the mesh out and flush the phases out. Now, this is laborious because it might take you 10-20 minutes to do this, depending on how well your water flow out, especially depending on the outlet. If the outlet is small and it's not moving out faster, it might take a longer time. And if it is faster, it might not take a longer time. So this, at least you need to do it every 2 days. Ideally, you should be doing that every day. And when you're doing that every day, your farm will not be smelling. But it is that dirt or that water that will stick there for a longer period and you find the farm dirty and smelling. But once you flush it out every day and it is filtered every day, if anyone comes into the farm, the person will not have any smell or hear or sense any smell. However, if you don't do that, you're going to have smelling. Another sad thing is that this system is costly to set up because to buy the submersible pump, buy this container, let me bring it out and you see. The container that contains the mesh, as you have seen, then the hose, the top container, and everything will cost you thousands of Ghana cedis. So, if you are comparing, there are times that this setup is even costlier than the setup of the tapoli pond itself. For instance, if you are setting up the tapoli pond, a smaller one, let's say 500 capacity, this setup might be costlier than that. So does it worth it? Or is it good to install it? Now, apart from this, it is also using electricity because the submersible pump uses electricity. So the electricity bill is also something else. Even though the good news is that the submersible pump is taking just a few or small voltage. For instance, it is 25 watts. And 25 watts doesn't consume much because you have to let your system to run 24/7. So if it's 24 watts, you can able to pay that. And if you're even able to use the solar system, then you are good to go. You don't have any worry about electricity bill. Now we need to always check to make sure that that is effective because they can break down. The submersible pump can break down either due to power fluctuation or unable to keep maintenance or credit. It can break down. So always keep your place or your things maintained and always check out and even have spare parts. As when it breaks down, you can able to fix. All these are limitations of the circulating aquatic system. But when you weigh the advantages and disadvantages, despite the limitations, it is good. And I recommend you install the circulating aquatic system because it saves you a lot of energy and water. For instance, I can't remember the last time I changed the water in this pond, but it's been months now. This is able to be possible because of this filtration system and the aeration system, because the fishes are being filtered. So imagine how much money it has saved us if we were to buy water. But I know there are some farmers, they do not have water at their farms. The water they use easily run up on the metropolitan assembly water, and it's not even frequent. Most of them rely on tankers. They buy from tankers or from commercial to run this farm, which is very costly. So if you have this system where you will not always change the water, then it will save you more money and energy than you think this system will cost you. So like I said, it's worth it. If you want to know how the system is run, you can check out the video in the description. And if you have not subscribed to the channel, please kindly subscribe and let's share our knowledge together. So these are the untold story of the Recirculating Aquatic system. And I hope you have been inspired. Please, if you do, give it a thumbs up, share. If you have not subscribed, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. My name is Abdul Aziz.